Hi, kids, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Petrimo, and today we are going to talk about Google Docs. What is it? I've had kids ask me, what is Google Docs? Well, Google Docs is a online word processor that you can use to write practically anything that you need to write. If you have a report due for school, you can do it on a Google Doc. If you have a letter to write to your grandma, you can do it on Google Doc. So it's pretty easy to pick up and learn. So we're going to get into some of the main features of Google Doc and just kind of explain. So Google Doc is very easy to use for writing, and you can edit your things. You can change, you can delete, you can say, oops, that was the wrong year. You can capitalize or lowercase things, and then you can undo your mistakes. So it's very easy to do. You can also add pictures in, and you can resize them and place them. You can also add in a link, and you can preview that link or copy and paste it or change the link. So it's very versatile. Google Docs is very easy to start a Google Doc at school. And then when you're at home, you can continue working on it just as long as you have a computer with a internet connection and a web browser. Everything is built into the browser. It's made to work off of Google Chrome, but it works off of other browsers like Firefox. You can collaborate with others. You can have your classmates on helping you or giving you comments. You can add your parents on to help you with information, maybe details of relatives if you're doing an ancestry report. Or you can even have your teacher join you on a Google Doc and help edit things and correct or give comments and feedback. So there's a lot of ways that you can start a Google Doc. My favorite is opening a new browser and typing doc.new. That opens a Google Doc. But you can also access it through Drive, and you can hit that plus button. And you can go down and select Google Doc, and it will open a new Google Doc for you. You may also go to your Omnibox and go to Docs, and this is where you'll be able to find some handy template galleries that you can look through and find a simple report template or a name of the book if you have a book report due, business letters, all kinds of fun things. So you can use that for just about anything. Now, in a Google Doc, you will notice that you have a cursor and it's flashing, and you can move it around the screen by clicking, or you can move it with the arrow buttons on your keyboard without doing. You can also space or enter if you need more lines between your texts. Now you have your menu bar up here with File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and Tools. And here is where we're going to find most of our tools that we're going to use for editing, viewing, insert, format, text, paragraphs, line, columns, lots of things. And then my favorite, the tools with voice typing, dictionary, word count, spelling and grammar, and a lot more. On the next toolbar below that, you have your frequently used tools, the undo and the redo and the print and the paint format. Notice that as you hover your mouse over each tool, you get a little pop-up exclamation of what it is. So if you've ever forgotten what a tool looks like, you can hover over and see what that one is. And of course, my favorite tool is the undo button. When you make a mistake, you can undo your mistakes. You can also redo them, so you can change anything that you want. All right, that's the basic overview of Google Docs. I hope you enjoy it. It's a great tool to use at school, but it's also very awesome to use at home. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.